Today we got a Honda CR-V. It's a 2001. It's a 4-cylinder 2.0. Does about 164 horsepower. It's a 4-door. It's an SUV. It's all-wheel drive. It's everything you need. It's good to go off-roading, light off-roading, not heavy like all the 4x4s do. As I said, it's a 4-door. A table in the back for camping. Cloth interior. Now, I haven't taken out anything or changed anything at all on this CR-V. All the stuff that's here was here by the previous owner. I picked this up in a snowstorm. We're gonna pop the hood. It's great in color, obviously. This is the EX model. Battery is at half power. I changed the air filter on it. Oil change has been freshly done. Next, it's spark plugs. Check all the rest of the fluids. Check the brake fluids. It will also need front brakes, rear brakes. It has 158,000 kilometers. I'll let you get around. No power options in the interior. Has AC. It's one of the basic models. Open up the hatch in the back. One of the issues I have also is the tailgate does not open whatsoever. Not that it's locked, it just doesn't open. I've hit it with WD-40 a while. It doesn't open. Coming back here, pretty sure there's a small exhaust leak. There is a tear in the Honda CR-V. I don't know, wrap for the spare tire, I guess, a cover. So we have rust, obviously, on the rear quarters. This right here is a known issue on all Honda CR-Vs from 97 to 2001. The doors, they need to be replaced. This one here is not bad. Electric windows, all four corners work. We're going to change out all the interior lights to LEDs just because it looks better, crisper. On the interior, it's nice carpet. You have all these little extra nooks and crannies. I'll have to show you once we get the door hatch here fixed, which can't wait. Squirrels. Hey, it actually closed for once. That's always good. They have a kit for the lights to have this amber, just clear. I think this one here stays orange, or you just get a whole clear panel. Might go with that. I'm not too sure. It uses unleaded fuel, which is not bad because right now we're paying $102.9 here in Canada. For the oil change, we use Castrol Edge. It's a 5W30. It uses 4 liters, so I should still have maybe a quarter, like a liter, maybe not. So this thing definitely needs a good clean. The passenger side window regulator is starting to go on it. The windshield needs to be replaced. The hula girl needs to come off. Busted speaker on the driver's side. Everywhere else works. It's pretty basic as an interior. We're gonna close the hood. We're gonna do a little driving. Come all the way around. Probably gonna have to sand this down or see if I can just replace it. You want it nice and black. So it has minor issues, which is no big deal. Right now it's minus 12 outside. Let's see how she sounds on startup. No engine lights whatsoever on the dash. The only lights we have is seatbelt. It just got the oil change, so there's supposed to be a little light under the maintenance required. You can't see it, it's in the green. And that's gonna be all the way down here. I guess you can see it a bit. Kilometers, 158,351. Since the last oil change, I'm up to 117. Clock doesn't work. So, map lights, they work. They don't work when the doors open. I'm not sure if that's an issue. I do know that the center dome light, I've already changed it because it was burnt out. Changed to blue, I'll make a video on that. The one in the back, I have the same position, but it doesn't do the same as this light here. Not sure why. It's comfy, it's not bad. Armrest. A lot of people say you don't see them, you don't find them. So, put the seatbelt on. Stock radio, heat, AC. Not sure if it works, not gonna try. You have a lot of compartments. So let's go for a drive. The ride height is really good on this. Even at stock height, you could probably do some light off-roading, just light trails in the mud, stuff like that. Just where I live, I like to play with the snowbanks. I'll just drive into it for the fun of it. No issues with the transmission, no issues with the engine. Gas tank has a small leak. These get around, I'd say 400 to 500 kilometers per gas tank, which is not bad for a light vehicle, light off-road vehicle, SUV, however you want to call it. It's quiet interior. There is body roll in the corners. If you go at it too fast. Brakes are really, really soft because they need to be replaced, as I mentioned. But rides like a dream. I paid $800. A lot of issues with it that were not disclosed from the seller, which is good for me. I'll just make a bunch of videos, and I know nothing about this type of vehicle, so I'm just going to learn as I'm working on it. I'll watch videos, I'll do my research, I'll come back, and we're going to learn together. I think it's one of the best things you can do. There's a lot of videos out there for CRVs, 2001, like first gen 2001 to 1996. Make sure there's no cars. Tires are pretty good. They should last me a couple more seasons. But when you do your steering, it follows. Like, there's no play in it. Like, let it go and she'll drive straight. The fun thing about this is I'm used to driving my girlfriend's car, which is 2015 Subaru. So everything's down here to shift. No, it's on top. No rear view cameras. Kind of missed that. So that's gonna be an upgrade that's gonna have to come no matter what. Probably go through Wish, keep it on the budget, because we're all just trying to save money, right? So back her all the way to the snowbank. So as you can tell, there's no more room for snow where I live. And there we go. That's it. Subscribe, like, and comment if you have any. Thanks.